brushes, brushes, brushes. Noun. Definition: an implement with a handle and a block of bristles, hair, or wire, used especially for cleaning, applying a liquid or powder to a surface, or arranging the hair. Example: a shaving brush. Noun. Definition: a light and fleeting touch. Example: the lightest brush of his lips against her cheek. Noun. Definition: the bushy tail of a fox. Example: shortly after the tragic incident, people started to notice that every night a large fox with a black brush would come and lay across the old woman's grave. Verb. Definition: remove dust or dirt by sweeping or scrubbing. Example: we'll be able to brush the mud off easily. Verb. Definition: touch lightly and gently. Example: stems of grass brush against her legs.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.